In this e-learning, we are going to create a breeding record, breed a mare out of the Frozen Semen Inventory. So we're going to the Stallion Management, Frozen Semen Management. We go straight to the inventory. Find a way to select your straws, and you can either do general by stallion, tank, or owner. Once you find the batch of straws that you are utilizing, you highlight that batch of straws, and down here on the bottom you click on the breeding on farm. This is going to open the breeding record, and it's going to automatically update the number of straws in your registries, so it knows the stallion. I'm going to pick a mare. We're going to have to provide here the number of straws. We're going to use 8 straws. It's going to be, this information here has to be provided, and of course it comes based on the information that is coming from there. I'm going to say 30 mils, but of course it depends. I'm not going to double check on this number here because it depends on how the registry has been done. It is automatically selected for the Frozen Semen Inventory, and I just go and confirm. Yes, we are going to check the ovulation. I'm going to check this mare to tomorrow and reschedule. Frozen Semen bred, check OV, and as soon as I refresh, you're going to see that the number of straws has been now being updated. If I take a look into that collection inventory log, it's going to say that the previous, and it's out of number of straws. I have now 8 straws on the batch that have been transactioned, and the transaction is now putting the quantity in the current status. So today you've learned how to go for breeding mares out of the Frozen Semen Inventory in Wise Option. Thanks for watching.